Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you want to make money online using the AI tools. In this beginner friendly video, I will show you exactly how you can start earning around $120 per day with a simple AI side hustle, no technical skills, no big investment. So in the first step, you need to pick your AI tool. So you need to start with the free or the low cost tools, like you can use ChatGPT for writing, you can use Canva for designing, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. These tools actually help you do the work faster even if you are not an expert. In the second step, you need to choose a service that you can offer. If I tell you some of the ideas, so you can use ChatGPT to writing the blog posts, your social media captions, or product descriptions. You can use Canva to make the logos, YouTube thumbnails, or even the Instagram posts. You can use AI voice tools to create voiceovers for the videos or ads. In the fourth step, you need to set up your online freelancing website. For that, you need to go on the websites like Upwork and Fiverr and create a clean profile and list your AI powered services here. You can use the words like fast delivery or AI assisted to attract the attention. Afterwards, you need to try to get a few clients. You can start offering by your services at a very low cost, like $5 or $10 initially, in order to get some reviews. You can deliver the good work and be friendly. Once you get 3 to 5 happy customers, you can raise your price slowly. Now that you have some reviews on your profiles and you are also getting steady work, you can create templates and systems. This actually saves time and it lets you handle more clients daily. And this is how you can grow to making $100 to $120 per day using just AI tools and your laptop. So yes, you can start an AI hustle today. Even as a beginner, you just have to pick a tool, offer something useful, and show up daily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.